Hi everyone, this is Kuya Don of Damisal Real Estate Lipa. So for today's video, we will be having a quick house tour dito sa Paseo de Lipa. By the way, this is Livana Inner Unit, a townhome here in Paseo. So for your carport is here. So kasya dito dalawa SUV or sedan. So punta tayo sa loob. Sedan. So pagpasok, syempre you will be greeted by the living area. Okay, and then here's your dining and kitchen. The sink, of course. And bago tayo pumunta sa taas, so ito yung service area na may paulan. So ito yung service area nyo or pwedeng dirty kitchen. Ito, may sink din. Lock natin. Tapos yung toilet and bath dito sa first floor. Ito. Yan siya. Tapos punta tayo sa taas. Ayan. So may hallway papunta dito sa CR. Hallway ba tawag dito? So CR nyo sa second floor. Yan siya. Tapos pwede kayo maglagay dito ng mga toiletries, tissue, and towels. Okay? And dito po tayo sa master's bedroom. So, ayan siya. Ako yung master. Ito yung master's bedroom. So, let's go. Other room, pero dalawang room dito. The room 2 and the room 3 there. Room. So, Silvana unit has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. So yun guys, you can reserve this unit for as low as 20 to 25,000 pesos. For more details and site tripping, send us a message. Thank you, bye.